morning everyone. My name is Almira Imran Shadiwal. Holi is colorful. Holi is colorful. India is beautiful. Respected principal, Sarpanchri, teachers, villagers and my dear friends. Today we have gathered here to celebrate 26th January, the Republic Day of India. It is the most important day in the story of our nation. On this day in 1915, the Constitution of India came into force and our country became a sovereign and democratic republic. Its culture super cool, its culture super cool, its island wonderful. We remember and salute all the freedom fighters and leaders like Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajguru, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad and many more who sacrificed their lives for our freedom and equality. Republic Day teaches us the values of unity, justice, liberty and equality. India is a land of many religions, languages and cultures and we stand united as one nation. Freedom in our way, truth in our way, proud to be Indian on Republic Day. Let us promise today to be good citizens and contribute positivity to our country. Jai Hind.